Widow's Sons England, Kernow Grand Chapter. A good sword and a trusty hand is how our Cornish anthem starts. Sentiment behind those immortal words, passion for Freemasonry and riding bikes, reflected in the Widow's Sons' hearts. Freemasons all, with family members, worthy associates, riding together. If you own a bike, you could be one too. These motorcycle riders of Cornish Freemasonry, we pray their engines, as well as their hearts, stay true. The brethren travel near and far, and as in the anthem, the seven is no stay. Fraternal friendship spread nation and planet-wide when they visit day after day after day. Masonic ideals and all those charitable acts, the song in their hearts that they strive to uphold. These are the Widow's Sons England, Kernow's Grand Chapter, the modern mounted, roaring Masonic Cornish bold.